Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how soap is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Our automated mixers use precise ratios, guaranteeing the quality and safety of the soap.
The pH is stabilizing now.
Good, but watch the temperature on reactor 3. It's climbing again.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how soap is made, tapper to your rich, from start to finish.